viewers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Scaredy Squirrel at Night. Warning, Scaredy Squirrel insists that everyone check under their beds before reading this book. Let's begin. Scaredy Squirrel never sleeps. He'd rather stay awake than risk having a bad dream in the middle of the night. A few creatures that could appear in a bad dream: ghosts, unicorns, dragons, fairies, vampire bats, polka dot monsters. So he's very determined to stay awake by keeping busy all through the night. Scaredy's nighttime to-do list: count stars. Should keep you occupied for a while. Play cymbals, loud annoying noise. It's sure to keep you awake. 3. Take up scrapbooking. Keeps you well organized and productive. So night after night after night after night, Scaredy avoids sleeping. But side effects on sleepless nights may include energy loss, moodiness, poor reflexes, forgetfulness, drowsiness, hallucinations, confusion, and exhaustion. That's when Scaredy Squirrel comes face to face with something very alarming. Horoscopes: Aries, you can climb mountains. Libra, get ready at midnight, all your dreams will come true. Tyrosis, take up the bull by the horns. Scorpio, look out or you'll be stung. Gemini, 2 heads are always better than 1. That would be quite creepy. Sagittarius, aim for your goals. Cancer, claw your way to success. Capricorn, you're halfway there. Leo, you're the king of the jungle. Aquarius, go with the flow. Virgo, Virgo, spread your wings and fly. Pisces, there are plenty of fish in the sea. There's not a minute to lose. It's time to prepare for the worst. A few things Scaredy Squirrel needs to face his bad dreams: spotlight, cupcakes, banana peels, fire extinguisher, safety cones, fan, teddy bear, it's a decoy, sign, pillow and blanket, molasses, bad dream action play. Dragons are a huge fire hazard, so keep an extinguisher in the tree. Not a fan of ghosts. Start the breeze so they'll be blown away. Molasses will slow down a unicorn in a sticky situation. I am here. Creatures think I'm sleeping here. Place a sign upside down so bats can read it. Fairies have a sweet tooth. Distract them with cupcakes. Polka dot monsters can't spot banana peels. Watch them slip and slide. So Scaredy Squirrel gets into position as you count down to midnight. His bad dreams seem to come true, one by one, but when he turns on the spotlight, hungry intruders appear. That was not part of the plan. Scaredy Squirrel panics. He steps into the molasses. He stumbles over a safety cone. He slips and slides on a banana peel. And he lands on the pillow, and he plays dead and still falls asleep. 1 hour later, 2 hours later, 8 hours later, Scaredy Squirrel finally wakes up. The benefits of a good night's sleep may include energy gain, happiness, better reflexes, sharper memory, good health, peacefulness, cleverness, and clear thinking. Scaredy Squirrel forgets all about his bad dreams. He realizes they were just in his imagination, and nothing horrible happened in the night. A good sleep has inspired him to get rid of a few things and replace his horoscope with something much more trustworthy: a fortune cookie. Sweet dreams. P.S. As for the fire extinguisher, well, a squirrel can never be too careful. And the dots in the sky are fireflies, not stars. So that was the end of the book. Looks like there's no quiz for this one. So that means it's the end of the book. So I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!